Hey everyone! Today I want to show you how to use tags in SocialHub and how amazingly useful they can be to, for example, analyze different campaigns that you're doing. So how do you use tags? First of all, you create a new post in the publisher. Let's say just on this Facebook page. I add whatever content. And now I can see that here I have content tags. And here I can either choose something that I've already added here, like a winter campaign. I can also enter a new cool tag, whatever it is. And now this post will be tagged with whatever I have put here. Let's schedule this for, I don't know, Sunday, for example. So these tags, when I just click on schedule, with these tags, I can find the posts that are tagged with these tags very easily. In the calendar, I just click here and filter by tags, and for example, search for all my winter campaign posts, and I can find them here. I can do the same in the content table. So here you see them tagged here already, and I can just filter by tags, for example, for the tag cool stuff, and I will find just this one post that is tagged with posts. So you can use this to find posts that you have tagged with these tags, but also in the analytics, which is really cool. In the analytics, you can see all the posts per channel that you have posted in this time frame, which is cool. But with tags, you can, in addition, see all the tags, all the posts that have been tagged with this tag. Doesn't matter which network they have been posted on. So for example, for the tag summer campaign, I can see that I have 2 Facebook posts and a Twitter post that I have posted in this time frame tagged with summer campaign. So like this, you can in one interface, on one glance, see how your posts to this campaign or to whatever tag you chose have performed. And that's really useful, especially for agencies, for different campaigns, for launches, for whatever you need. So this is how you use tags. Super simple. I hope you liked it. I hope you have fun with it, and see you soon. Bye.